outside your door. You know he's there, and what he's waiting for. He stands in the shadow, hiding from the light. You never seem to catch his face in the dark. His left slender hands raised like a greeting to a friend. In his right, he's holding a paper and a pen. The words on the deed contains everything you've done. Your name is all that's missing from that final dotted line. Take the pen and sign your name. Sign your name on the dotted line. You have played the red man's game. Sign your name. Sign your name. He said to collect your name. Sign your name on the dotted line. Sign your name. Sign your name. Before your eyes you see a life with alcohol and hope, and all the petty things you bound your existence to a door. The runner spin in the fast lane to the limit of your desire, on a road that's been tied with rock and roll of fire. He hands you the paper you willingly accept. You know already dead. It's just another ride with a red-dressed man. It's just another ride with your number one fan.